front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app Code Files by Google Developer. This one. When it's ready, launch it. Now select Continue in the pop-up. Click on gray switcher next to Allow Permission and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select Clean. Hit Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!